Have you ever wondered what's going on behind those calculating eyes when your cat stares at you? Or why your dog seems to understand exactly when you're feeling down? The age-old debate of which pet is smarter, cats or dogs, has divided animal lovers for generations. But what if I told you that comparing their intelligence isn't as straightforward as you might think? In the next few minutes, I'm going to reveal surprising discoveries about cat and dog intelligence that might completely change how you see your furry companion. Stay with me, the answer might surprise you. Segment 1. Brain size and structure. Let's start with the basics. Brain size. Dogs typically have larger brains than cats. But size isn't everything when it comes to intelligence. What really matters is the number of neurons, the cells responsible for processing information. Dogs have about 530 million neurons in their cerebral cortex, while cats have about 250 million. For comparison, humans have about 16 billion. So by this measure, dogs appear to have an advantage. But here's where it gets interesting. Cats have a brain structure that's actually more similar to humans than dogs do. Their cerebral cortex, the part responsible for problem-solving and complex thought, is more intricate in some ways. What does this mean? Well, having different brain structures to digest these animals evolved different kinds of intelligence to suit their natural lifestyles. Dogs evolved as pack hunters that needed to cooperate, while cats evolved as solitary hunters that needed to be clever and resourceful on their own. Segment 2. Social intelligence. Dogs are famously good at understanding human communication. They can follow pointing gestures, recognize human facial expressions, and seem to genuinely care about pleasing their owners. This makes them excellent at training and working with humans. Studies show that dogs will look to humans for help when they encounter a problem they can't solve. This social reliance has made them perfect partners for thousands of years of human history. Cats, on the other hand, don't typically show the same eagerness to follow commands or seek human approval. But is this because they're less intelligent, or just more independent? Research suggests it's the latter. Cats can actually recognize their owner's voice among strangers and can follow pointing gestures similar to dogs. They just aren't as motivated to show off these skills. One fascinating study found that cats have excellent memory, especially for things that benefit them. They remember where food is hidden and can recall solutions to problems they solved up to 10 years ago. Segment 3. Problem solving and adaptability. When it comes to problem solving, cats show impressive abilities. Their natural hunting instincts make them excellent at figuring out puzzles, especially when food is involved. They're masters of spatial awareness, which helps them squeeze through tight spaces and maintain their extraordinary balance. Dogs excel at learning complex tasks and can be trained for an incredible variety of jobs, from herding sheep to detecting cancer. They can learn hundreds of words and commands, with border collies typically leading the pack in vocabulary comprehension. But here's something interesting: cats are actually more adaptable to new environments than dogs. They're territorial creatures with amazing spatial memory, allowing them to quickly map and navigate their surroundings. Segment 4. Different kinds of intelligence. The truth is, comparing cat and dog intelligence is like comparing apples to oranges. They've evolved different types of intelligence to suit their natural lifestyles. Dogs have evolved social intelligence that helps them work in packs and cooperate with humans. This makes them appear smarter in ways we easily recognize, following commands, showing empathy, and working alongside us. Cats have evolved self-reliance and problem-solving skills that help them succeed as solitary hunters. Their independence, which some mistake for aloofness, is actually a sign of their evolutionary success. So asking which is smarter isn't really the right question. Instead, we should appreciate how each animal's intelligence is perfectly suited to their natural way of life. So, are cats smarter than dogs? The answer isn't straightforward. Dogs have more neurons and excel at social tasks, while cats have complex cortical structures and impressive independent problem-solving abilities. What's amazing is how each animal has developed intelligence that perfectly suits their evolutionary needs. Dogs evolved alongside humans as social companions and working partners, while cats maintained more of their wild independence. The next time you see your cat ignoring your call or your dog eagerly waiting for your command, remember, they're both intelligent in their own unique ways. Their differences don't make one smarter than the other, just differently smart.